Hi, I'm Jed Sims and I'm here to show you how benefits management can be simple. Too many organizations just make this too complex. Why is benefits management made so difficult? In a recent discussion with Steve and Jenna, we both asked, why is benefits management made so difficult? New structures, new roles, and complex measurement and tracking regimes are created, and these normally exist outside of normal project delivery, thereby creating a totally unnecessary overhead. But benefits management can be simple when you focus your end-to-end delivery processes on benefits and their realization from the outset. So let us take you through 10 steps to a simple, highly effective, proven benefits management process. You need to start with the end defined. Start by defining your desired business outcomes, clear, specific, measurable definitions of the end states to exist in the business after the end of the project when everything is working just right. Delivery of these outcomes into the business as usual is your primary measure of success, and they only take a few hours to identify and a few days to get right, so they don't hold you up. Step 2, identify the benefits and value of delivering these business outcomes. The benefits should be maximized rather than limited to just enough to cover the project costs. Maximizing your benefits can often double the identified value of a project. The financial benefits can then be clearly quantified so that any changes to their value can be tracked throughout the project's duration and beyond. But what is important is that each benefit is attached to the business outcome that will deliver it. Now you know the value of delivering each outcome, and you know which benefits will become available when you deliver each outcome. This greatly simplifies benefits tracking. Step 3, identify all of the changes required to deliver the desired business outcomes. To identify all of the changes, and we do mean all, you will need to know your organization's current state in detail because that's where you're changing from. The change activities required to deliver each outcome need to be identified by outcome. Then, when you cost this workload by outcome, you will know the cost of delivering each outcome vis-a-vis its value. High cost, low value outcomes can then be eliminated. Step 4. Define the project outcomes as a subset of the business outcomes. Only now do you start to define the project. When you define the project's outcomes as a subset of the agreed business outcomes, you eliminate the unknown value gap that too often exists between what the project delivers and what the business needs to realize the outcomes, benefits, and value. This approach also ensures that the workload remaining to deliver the business outcomes after the project outcomes have been delivered is known to be within the business's capability to deliver. In this way, you ensure that all benefits are able to be delivered. Step 5. Allocate the benefits that become immediately available on delivery of the project outcomes. Some benefits will be automatically realized through the delivery of the project outcomes. Other benefits will be available to be realized immediately but require some additional work. These benefits should be assigned to the project so that their delivery is incorporated into the project delivery plans. An example might be decommissioning a replay system. This simple step ensures the project team is now focused on realizing business benefits. Post-project benefits, of course, remain with the business. Step 6. Assign the change activities required to deliver the project outcomes and benefits. Most of the identified change activities will become part of the project's workload. Once assigned to the project, this workload can be planned and scheduled. Remember, at the project level, the change activities are again aligned to the project outcomes and the benefits they will deliver. You have now defined your project workload so that it is directly aligned to delivering both the project and the business outcomes and their benefits and value. The project is now your primary benefits and value delivery vehicle. You do not need a separate whole process to deliver the benefits. Step 7. Deliver the project, its outcomes and benefits. This is standard project program delivery management, except that the endpoints are the measured delivery of the project outcomes, defined as a subset of the business outcomes, and the immediately available benefits and value. The project is now value delivery focused. Step 8. Track and measure the delivery of the project's outcomes and benefits. As each change activity is linked to a project outcome, tracking each change activity's 100% completion cumulatively measures the delivery of the project outcomes. The delivery of the project outcomes enables the outcomes benefits to be realized and their value to be banked. This is all a simple, straightforward activity, outcome, benefit, value delivery process, using the project as the principal value delivery vehicle. Step 9. Action the remaining business change activities to realize the business outcomes, benefits, and value. Delivery of the project outcomes provides a measurable starting point for the subsequent benefits delivery plans that will deliver the business outcomes, benefits, and value. These plans are executed by the business after the successful delivery of the relevant project outcomes. But remember, if the delivered project outcomes are compromised, some of the expected benefits may be lost, and the benefits delivery plans may need to be adjusted to what can be delivered. But this is all now visible, measurable, and manageable. Step 10. Track and measure the banking of the benefits. Tracking the delivery of the outcomes automatically tracks the availability of each outcome's benefits and value. No separate tracking of benefits is required. Once a specific outcome has been verified as delivered, then realization of its associated benefits can be tracked and measured through the completion of the benefits delivery plans and the results achieved. Where the results are not to expectations, the reasons can be easily ascertained and remedied. It really is that simple. But this process does not exist in most organizations. There are holes, problems, deficiencies. Let's go through them. Few projects ever define their desired business outcomes in clear, specific, measurable terms. The commonly targeted objectives, goals, deliverables, or capabilities, or whatever is used, are inadequate as a basis for effective benefits management. Where outcomes are claimed, there are often benefits, or not specific enough, not being measurable by a true-false question. Can we or can't we? Do we or don't we? Have we or haven't we? Only when you have a list of clear, specific outcome statements, each measurable with a true-false question, do you have the basis for simple, highly effective benefits management. Benefits can exist, but are often minimized. Benefits and financial values may exist, but are not linked to their delivering business outcomes. Financial benefits are usually limited to just enough to justify the cost of delivery, and this minimizes the value of the benefits identified. Often, only financial benefits are allowed, thereby minimizing the number of benefits. The problem is that benefits are mistakenly treated as the offset to the project's delivery costs, when really they're the purpose of the project investment. Projects don't identify all of the changes required to deliver the benefits. Project activities identification is usually limited to only the activities the project team will action. The business change activities are neglected. Change management is seen as a different skill set, so a forced separation between project and change activities is created and sustained. Business value falls through these gaps. As the current state is rarely fully analysed, critical changes are often missed, resulting in late in the project scope amendments or subsequent operational workarounds, both of which reduce the value delivered. The project is not defined as a business outcomes benefits delivery initiative. Projects are more often focused on what they have to do than what they have to achieve. Projects list outputs, deliverables, milestones or capabilities and consider it to be the accountability of the business to make use of these outputs. The direct line from business outcomes to project outcomes is usually missing. The project is defined with little to no cognition of the business outcomes desired. After the project delivers, the business has to work out how to leverage the result, and significant value is lost, often as a result. Benefits are not seen to be delivered by projects. It is a mantra of many project approaches that projects are not concerned with benefits. Many commonly used project methods do not mention benefits. Project delivery schemas often show benefits delivery as an activity to be done after the end of the project, not our concern. Therefore, the allocation of benefits to the project is not considered. Benefits are seen as the business's accountability. Programs do focus on benefits, mostly as a parallel stream of activities rather than as the core purpose of the program. Projects are not seen as managing change. Change management is seen as a different stream of activities and a specialised skill set focused on the people side of projects. The change aspect of project activities is, therefore, rarely recognised. Yet all projects, regardless of what type of project they are, systems, organisational, construction, merger, are and should be managed as change projects. Project execution is not seen as a benefits management activity. As a result of the lack of the previous steps, when the project is executed, it is not driven by the desired business outcomes or focused on delivering the business benefits. It becomes an end in itself. Decisions are made on the project by both the project and governance teams that support the project's delivery, often at the expense of the business benefits and ongoing operational costs. Projects do not see themselves as delivering outcomes and benefits. As a result of the lack of previous steps, the project is not aiming to deliver project outcomes and benefits, although programs will usually aim to deliver them. Projects deliver their deliverables and stop. The rest is up to the business. Even some programs will only deliver the capability to deliver outcomes and benefits rather than actually deliver a set of specified outcomes and benefits. The business now needs to take on delivering the benefits without knowing if the project has made them possible. As a result of the lack of the previous steps, all of the benefits delivery workload falls on the business, but the business does not have a clear, verifiable starting point, the delivery of clear, specific, measurable project outcomes, and therefore cannot plan its delivery workload effectively. The business often has to assume the project has delivered the prerequisites for the delivery of the benefits, which is often not correct. The failings of the previous steps compromises benefits and value delivery step. And usually only a subset of the value that could have been delivered is banked. As a result of the outcomes not being defined, the benefits being minimised, the workload to realise them not being fully identified, the project not being focused on benefits delivery, the inability to ensure the projects enabled the delivery of the planned benefits, the actual benefits banked can be a minor subset of the actual value that could have been available. Ours research, Boston Consulting Group and others have found that most projects deliver less than 50% of the available value. Organisations therefore go through the pain of project delivery without fully realising the gains available. The situation in most organisations is one of inadvertent value destruction, but it's simple to solve in 2 steps. First step is to adopt the value equation. This sets you up to deliver the benefits. It equips you to define your desired business outcomes, maximize the business benefits, put in place trackable financial benefits, and identify all of the delivery change activities. That in turn allows you to define your project outcomes, immediate benefits, and project change activities. That's the starting point for any project. The project can now become your primary benefits delivery vehicle because it's now set up to deliver the project outcomes and immediate benefits. When it's done that, the top benefits delivery module equips you to deliver the remaining business outcomes, benefits, and value in full. The delivery of the project outcomes and benefits provides measurable basis for planning and executing benefits delivery plans that deliver the business benefits and value. The key is to start with the top value equation. It all goes from there. But as you can see, this whole area of benefits management can be simply solved. It really is that simple.